Welcome back. So this is our daily signal breakdown where every trade is based on pure logic, not luck. Let's go through today's setups and understand exactly why we took each trade. So yeah, right. Here you can check out hot cat 5 minutes up. This was our first signal, but this was a loss. But remember, even loss teaches us something, like something valuable. It's all about staying disciplined and trusting your process. So we moved on to the next trade, and this you can just check GBP JPY 5 minutes down. So here it was a good win. Yeah. So in this, here's what's great. We noticed two green strong candles completely engulfing the previous red candle. There's the sign of our buyers exhaustion and strong selling pressure stepping in since the overall trend was down. So we entered this $500 trade for the downside. We won this trade, amazing win, and it went exactly as we expected. The next trade was for EuroCAD 5 minutes down. In this, again, what a win, amazing win. Yeah, so again, same downtrend was there, continuation, but this time the red candle completely engulfed the green one, showing a clear downside movement. The moving average also confirmed the trend, so we entered precisely moving on the base of moving average and the downtrend. That was an amazing win. You can check out. Yeah. The next setup was for EuroCAD 5 minutes down. Amazing. This was also a good win. So yeah, again, the same downtrend continuation was there. This time the red candle engulfed the previous green one, showing a clear downtrend. Yeah, again, this was a same trade we took earlier, and you can check out. This was a good win because the trend was still going on, so we entered a downside again. Yeah, we won this trade. Amazing win for today. The explanation will always help you because you will get to know how the trades are taken. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.